Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world without breaking the bank? Imagine stepping foot in far-off lands, immersing yourself in diverse cultures, and making memories that last a lifetime, all without draining your wallet. Welcome to the world of budget travel, where adventure and economy go hand in hand. Picture yourself in the exotic Southeast Asia, where countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos hold a treasure trove of experiences. From the ancient temples of Angkor Wat to the pristine white beaches of Thailand, this earthly paradise delivers unforgettable memories at incredibly affordable prices. Next, visualize a journey through Eastern Europe, where history mingles with natural beauty in countries such as Hungary, Slovakia, Romania, and Bulgaria. Transform a van into your temporary home and traverse medieval castles, picturesque villages, and breathtaking mountain landscapes, all while keeping your budget intact. Envision exploring the captivating spectacle that is Latin America, where passion, music, and nature blend into a captivating spectacle. From the pyramids of Mexico to the jungles of Colombia, this continent offers an abundance of authentic experiences at prices that won't leave you bankrupt. And the budget travel journey continues, taking you through camping in the world's most stunning national parks, volunteering abroad in exchange for food and accommodation, and cycling miles to explore the most remote corners of your own country. So, are you ready to pack your bags and embark on the adventure of a lifetime without emptying your bank account? Join us as we discover that budget travel doesn't mean sacrificing quality, but expanding your horizons and creating lifelong memories. Welcome to a world of budget travel and unforgettable experiences. If you enjoy this content, do remember to subscribe for more exciting and economical adventures, and make sure to hit that like button to support our work. Happy travels and see you on the next adventure.